Hello, in today's video I'll show you how to use the semi-open cooking mode on your TherMOMIX TM7. Semi-open cooking mode is different than open cooking, and I'll explain what open cooking does first. If I go to the mode selection button, I can open cooking mode. That mode doesn't enable the knives at all. The knives won't spin. It'll just enable the heating up element. You can set it from 37 up to 100 degrees, and you can set the time up to 5 hours. Then you can start it with the lid off. But the disadvantage of it is that the knives will not spin. The knives will be off. Semi-open cooking mode is available through manual mode. That mode requires you to put the lid on for it to work, but you can take the lid off whenever you want during that mode. And it works with any temperature, either no temperature set or up to 120 degrees Celsius, but works with speeds only up to 2. Let me demonstrate. If I set it to speed number 1 and start it, and you could set any temperature, of course, then it works, but the lid isn't locked. So when I remove the lid, it will just pause. I could then inspect how it's cooking. I could maybe stir it manually or decide whether to stop cooking or not. But you could also just put the lid on and it'll automatically resume and continue cooking. Then if I had set the mode, you can see, to 2, it'll still be unlocked, but if I set it to 2.5, it will lock the lid. So now I cannot remove the lid. And to remove it, I would need to either pause and then remove the lid or finish cooking. And that is the semi-open cooking mode. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.